Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dawn Duvall with Shall We Stamp, and I am coming to you from the central part of Florida. And today I want to show you a card that I made using the new Clubhouse stamp set and coordinating dies from Stampin'. And these will be available starting January 3rd of 2020. And the Clubhouse is an awesome stamp set if you have a lot of golfers in your life. As you can see, it's got a male golfer, golf ball, a flag, some clubs, and then various sayings. And then the dies you have are the ability to cut out the golfer. You've got golf clubs that you can cut out, golf balls, a flag. This coordinates with the ball here, the tee. And then you've got some other clubs that you can cut out, and then also some banners for your sentiments, and then a golf ball here. And then this set also comes in a suite. And you can also get the Country Club Designer Series paper. And let me just show you a little bit of that. Now, we're not using the paper in this particular card. This one's going to be a little bit different. But here's some paper with golf balls and tees. And then on the back is more of a masculine plaid. Then we have some argyle. Excuse me. And then this has got golf bags, if you can see that. And then we've got some flags with some different colored argyle paper. And then these are just like various banners, golf clubs. These are things that you can cut out if you want, fussy cut them out, which would work fine if you want to put those on a card as well. And the back of that is another plaid, which is a dark gray. This one is golf cars. And then on the back is another plaid, and then some more argyle and some lighter shades with some colors, black and white, that you can color in of a few female golfers and then some male golfers as well. So that's part of this suite. So it's perfect for the golfers in your life. But let me show you the card that I made. This is a little bit different. But I used our large letters, and I think these have retired. And I used the cutout for the golf ball and put a T on here and put 4. And this is one of our family members. She got a hole-in-one, so I wanted to make her a golf card for that. So the front says 4, and then when you open it, it pops up. And then I have the golfer on as a pop-up using our window sheets. And if you look, you can see that the ball is right there getting ready to head to the hole. And this part is, I used Pear, Pizzazz, and I just cut this out by hand to make like they were shooting towards a hole. And then I cut out a couple of the golf clubs using our silver paper and stamped some grass and Pear, Pizzazz as well. So isn't that a cute card? So this is not for the beginner, obviously, but it's a really great card. And the way I did the window sheet right here, this is 3/4 of an inch, and you probably can't see it, but it's 3/4 of an inch by 7, if I'm not mistaken, 7 inches. And what I did was score it at 1 inch, and the easiest way to do that is to score at 1 inch and then fold it up, and then move that folded part up to your scoring blade. And then the next one you're going to cut it, you're going to score it 2.5. You'll fold that one and get a good crease because the window sheets are a little bit thick. And then you'll do another 1 inch, fold it, go back to the beginning, and then you'll do another 2.5. So it's 1 inch, fold it, take the fold up back to your starting point, score it 2.5, fold that, go back to the starting point, 1 inch, and then fold, and then go back to 2.5 inches. So it's 1 inch, 2.5, 1 inch, 2.5. And then I folded it and used glue dots to attach it to the back of the card right here. And then I cut the gentleman out using the die, and then I did what's called paper piecing, as I stamped him on the paper and then just cut out the pants, and I colored the shirt using Poppy Parade. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed that card. I thought it was really unique to give to somebody who is an avid golfer and gets a hole-in-one, or you can make it for whatever reason. So thank you for stopping by and watching my video. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me at dawn@shallwestamp.com. And for all of the supplies that you need to make this card, they will be listed below, and there will be a link to my online store. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so at the bottom of the video. There's a button that you can subscribe, and then also go to my Facebook page at Shall We Stamp 1 and like that as well. Again, thank you for watching, and make sure to leave me a comment.